So in order to build a kaleidoscope, you're going to need a couple of materials. But before I begin, let me just say that there are a whole bunch of different ways to build kaleidoscopes. You'll find a whole bunch of different ways online, different than those in a book. And my way is just one way of building one, okay? So here are some materials that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need a tube of some kind, and what I got here is a PVC pipe. This is a PVC pipe, and you can get one of these, and you're going to need, for my project, you're going to need about a 1.5 inch diameter. So that's going to be important. The length doesn't matter because you're going to cut it later. What you're also going to need is a cap for that PVC pipe, and it just fits on like this, and that's what also you're going to need for one end. And you're going to need some foam. This is just insulation foam for your average PVC pipe. You can need that too. And also you need a petri dish. A petri dish with maybe some kind of cap or a cover, and inside I have some beads or any little things that can create a good pattern. You're going to need some of that. And last but not least, you need a mirror, and a mirror like this will be good.